Hey guys, and welcome back in another live stream. And in this live stream, we are going to update. I'm going to update my game, that Unreal Engine 5 demo game. So now in this live stream, we are going to basically make a next gen graphics Android mobile game. Okay, so we also learn how we can use a simple PC assets for our mobile game. Okay. Also, we learn how we can basically optimize our scenes for Android and other some Android cool, function will be learned in this live stream. Also, if you have any question, you can comment in my comment box and I try to give you the reply. And yeah, guys, let's start. Okay. So first of all, as you can see, I get this assets from Unreal Engine marketplaces. You find this asset in Unreal Engine Epic marketplaces. And also, guys, if you check goodly, this asset pack is for PC. Okay, this asset pack using 4K texture qualities. Okay, so as we know that Android, if you check the website, I have a documentation of Unreal Engine. If I show you, okay, there you can understand about Unreal Engine texture and resolution and other stuff, that how much texture quality Unreal Engine supports and how much the maximum what you can use. Okay, so as you can see, this is the lowest, the 16, and highest is 8192. Okay, bro, 4K texture quality can Android take? So in my opinion, no. Android game or Android mobile can't be take 4K texture. Your game could be, if you try to use and export, then you can see that your game can be Unreal Engine tried to optimize your texture to 1024 maximum, okay, or he tried to use the 4K, and if this he used the 4K, so your game will be crash, your game will be not open, or you can see a blank or a blank map. Okay, so for if you check in my these asset packs, okay, what I have, so if I show you to go to, for viewing any of your model texture, you need to go to texture, and here you can see the resolution and other stuff. So if you just let me open one texture, that is wall texture. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 2048. So if you check at here, that is 2048 is a as you can see, this is a kind of like more than HD. Okay, and this is 4K and this is 8K, so it's more than like 10A or a HD assets. So we'll be compress this thing to a 10A 24. Okay, so make sure that first of all you render all of your project, that whatever you have. So this scene is already builded, it's looking nice. So first of all, what I do, if you can hear that my player sound, okay, this is not hearing very good. Okay, like yeah, very bad. So first of all, we will be add a sound effect. So for that, I already get a sound effect, so let me just import the sound effect. That is a footstep, and let's click on open. Okay, so maybe you can hear now, it's looking more perfect. Bro, when I add randomly lightning and export in Android lights, colors is not randomly. Maybe you need to you need to do everything separately, or try to make a BP, and instead of that BP, you can try that one. Okay, now as I tell in my last video, we can replace the sounds. Okay, because I already set up the the sounds with my animation. If I show you that in this pack, in manicures dot animations, and in my all the animation, I already add the sound effect. Okay, so as you can hear the sound effect, as you can see, at the every of walk and place, you can hear the sound. So I already add. So what I do now, first of all, I'll be at change this sound. Okay, bro, shout out lover. With bro, which processor do you use? My process is Intel i5, and guys, this is very slow. I recommend to use Intel i7 or 9. Bro, I'm using UE5 with Lumion. Wow, bro. For Android mobile, I recommend don't use Lumion. In fact, also don't use virtual shadow mapping. Bro, does Lumion support Android? Yeah, Android can support Lumion, and also it can support the nanites available for Unreal Engine. Okay, Android can support, but the main reason is, or the main problem is, that how much quality you use. So that's the cost also you can your Android need to face. Like just think that you have a bucket that which we can only take 2 bottles, and your Android only limited have 1 bottle. So it's mean that if you have more than cost, that just lightning quality or so much cost in for RAM, you need so much RAM. but your Android can't give that RAM. So at that moment, your Android can be crash, or your game can be also crash. Okay. Okay, now let's first of all replace this sound. So first of all, let me search that where I said this sound effect, or why is this sound folder. Okay, I found that. So now what I will do, simply just replace this thing. So you can do by deleting. If you click on delete, you Unreal will show you to if you want, you can replace this thing. So we'll be set with our footsteps. So just click on replace and click on OK. Click on saved all. Now click on saved. Now our sound is now changed. As you can see, it's now looking more good. Instead, when you go inside of that house, it will be look very nice. Okay, so first of all, we need to fix some bugs that we can go inside of this house. So let me just open the door so we can basically can enter the house. Also, as I seeing that in this house, okay, my player can't be going on that. Okay, so for that reason, because this, if you see in here, this is some down. Okay, so I'm not sure that why this thing. Okay, I'm using i3 10 generation. Bro, how to add prone animation? Prone animation? What kind of prone animation you want? Android button customization UI make. Oh, okay. I forget about that and the customization button. So I'll be try. I promise you, bro. Green. I promise you. I'll try that video. Okay. Okay. Now Unreal Engine auto saving. However, first of all, let's fix this issue. First of all, let's see that are we can go inside of that house or not. Yeah. As you can see, the collision is perfect, so we can go. But as you can see, my player is running so fast. I don't need that. So for fixing that problem, what I do basically, first of all, I'll be set a maximum walk speed, so kind of like 200 to 250, so it will be give me a smooth kind of like walk. Okay, because I don't need prawns. Prawns means lip animation. Yes, bro, I need the tutorials of button customization. I'll try my best. Okay. Okay, let's add a begin play at here so we can set the maximum. Okay, begin play and just get to character movement, set max walk speed, and we'll be set this thing for now. Let's set it to 200 and then see if we need to increase, we'll be increase. If we need to increase that, we'll be increase. Okay, now it's looking more perfect. Okay. However, I'm thinking that there's a maybe using Lumion. Okay, I think then in this scene there's a maybe Lumion working. So let's check are there's a Lumion working or not, because I don't want Lumion. Okay, so by search LU Lumen. Okay, Lumen is disabled for now. Okay, let's search as a shadow. So HADOW shadow, and yep, it's working shadow virtual. Not using that one, which I don't need. Green bro, thanks you for reminding me also. Yeah, thanks him. I forget about that because look, guys, sometimes I become I forget about the whatever you give me request, because I'm do lots of work. I do my game work. I do my company work. So that's why sometimes I become, I forget about that. Why this door is, what the heck it is? Are this door with, guys, did you see some problem? As you can see, guys, maybe you can see the lightning. Okay, the shadows. Okay, that is the glitch of Unreal Engine 5. My god. So first of all, let's optimize our this texture. Okay, so for optimizing, we need to go textures. Let's set this A category. Let's go to our break textures. First of all, let's set the basement. The basement, for basement, what you can use, guys. First of all, let's see what is by default they give. Okay, as you can see, they only use the 128. It's mean that they use very low quality, this one. So we'll be increase some more, that 32 by 32, because for basement we don't need so much high quality. Okay, so that is called also optimization. So we go to asset action for multiply all the assets or textures. So we'll be set it to 32. Click on saved. Now click on file all saved. Hi bro, hello. Do you remember me? Yes, Rage Studio. How I forget you. Okay, now let's say it for ground. Okay, basically the ground is this one. So for, let's see by default what they give the ground quality. That is now 2040. So let's say it to 1024. So it will be more optimized. So let's select all this, go to action, now go compress, now set it to 1024 and enter. So make sure guys, by doing like this, like multiple, if you select multiple multi-texture at the same time, your computer can be crashed, even Unreal Engine also can be crashed. Okay, so make sure you have enough powerful PC. Nice. Now this is changed. Let's set it to ULT, which Hami you are developing means game. Bro, Lumion can work without RTX and high quality graphics card. Yes. Even it's also work in low quality graphics card also, like a 6 GB graphics card or also a 2 GB graphics card also. So don't worry about that. The Lumion. Basically the Lumions basically give you kind of like a replication. Like if you add a light, let me show you by a light. Okay, just you add a point of light. Okay, let me set the color some like that. So as you can see, there's a replication come. Okay, at this point also, just if you give like that, you add some object and every object have their own replication, so it will be fine like this. Okay, it will give you more sharpness. So kind of like if you check the Unreal Engine, they whatever game they create, you can check on that they use so much. However guys, why this door have the problem, I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure that why the door looking like that. Every door have the same problem, as you can see. I'm not sure that are it's a glitch of Unreal Engine 5 or not. Uh, oh, then I am having dedicated graphics card. Oh, Epic Online Service using multiplayer game making tutorial make bro green. Look, Epic Online Service. Like if you check the Epic Online Service, we can't use Epic Online Service directly with Blueprint code. Okay, it's not available right now. Like for you can use by, if you know that C++, you can use that Epic Online Service, but with Blueprint it's not available correctly now. I'm not sure that why Epic do this thing. Epic, why? You need to first of all add this feature for Unreal Engine, like we can control the Epic holes of function by Blueprint code. So if you want to now use that thing, you need to buy $100 plugins. Wow, seriously, $100 means that was so much. In my country that is 8,000 taka. Okay, that was so much. I'm not sure that I want to cost like that. That is so much. Is Epic Online Service is free? Yes, Epic Online Service is totally free. You find multiplayer matchmaking, voice chat, and others also some cool feature. Okay, also you find the anti-cheat also. That is most amazing part. Like you need to also add your game security. Okay, first of all, let's fix small bugs that we are working on the optimization. Let's do first of all. So I think this is only that. So let's give it to compressed like 32 because I don't need so much. Okay, so it will be help us to reduce the game size also. Then this is the pops, all the pops. So let's first of all select this 10 action, and first of all let's check that what is done right now. That is 24. That is so much. Let's select from this thing. Let's set it to 10:24. Compress, then 10:24. Click on saved all. Are you updating your game? Yes, I'm updating the game because as I see in Play Store, okay, if you search like Play Store, why is that? Google Play Store, and if you search Unreal Engine, okay, you maybe find my game, maybe it show. Yeah, there's my game. So for Unreal Engine 5, I'm not sure that I'm not happy with this quality. Okay, even I update that game, you find some new feature like some firefighter and some new place, but I'm not happy with this scene. I think Unreal Engine 5 deserves some more quality. Okay, so that's why I'm just updating the quality, nothing else. Okay, now let's set up for this tense action backlight. Hey, Epic developers, please add mobile multiplayer tutorials. Yeah, I'm not sure that they do. They didn't make videos for PC and you are telling for mobile? Seriously? That was crazy. Some of YouTuber, if you search the multiplayer, like in YouTube, if you search of multiplayer, game, how to make a multiplayer, Multimeter? Multimeter? Multiplayer, uh, multiplayer game in UE. Okay, you find there's a lots of big YouTubers show how you can create, but guys, I'm telling you, 80% of that they don't use the Epic Online service. They use the Steam. They use some free or some kind of like they only show that how you can basically make your player like a like it can work in multiplayer, but they didn't show that 100%. Okay, you find some like this YouTubers they show, but there's for Unity. Okay, and yeah, that is I'm not sure that it's good on you know kind of like that. Okay, let's save this thing. Yeah, but YouTube are shows specifically from Steam. Yes, but I'm not, bro. But look, bro, Steam is some costly. Okay, you find that not you can't find this free. Okay, so I think YouTuber need to show about some free things. But as you know that there's not available everything the free like the codes are or the blueprints are not free. So how they show you the free? Okay, even I am can also do. Okay, so yeah, that's why I'm making always offline game. Bro, in C++, we have to write codes manually. Yes, we need to write codes manually. We don't know what you think. C++ is auto, that is autocorrect. Guys, don't use autocorrect. Autocorrect is also so much bad. In my last of my text, I write, yeah, it's good. He writes, yeah, it's bad. Autocorrect is, dhajia my text. It's make my text dhajia. Yeah, kind of like that. Bro, how to make UI character rotating means in lobby we can rotate the character with touch. So how do that? Bro, for that you need to first of all set up the touch system, okay? Like you need to first of 1024, yeah. First of all I need to set up the touch system. If I show you like at this my game, okay? If you check in my game, I also use the touch system. Like I can move the touch, okay? I can move my camera with touch. As you can see, I can easily move. I'm not using my PC controls, I'm using Android touch control. Okay, so you need to first of all set up this thing. Why this scene is so much bright? I'm not sure why this scene is looking so much bright. Now it's looking good. Why this thing is super bright? This is, I'm thinking some problem of post process. Let's remove this thing like this. Now let's check, because I think that there's a lighting is so much so much. So much means so much. Now let's check from here. Now this is affordable. As you can see, now it's looking more nice. Like super HDR. So first of all, you need to set up this, that thing that first of all, also you need the X and Y. Okay, you need X and Y. So you need to find the value that when you rotate your camera like this thing, what is the value? When you rotate your camera like this position or you touch this position, so what is the value? Then you need to basically compile the whole thing with your actor rotation. That is the need some time. So that's why I'm not doing that. So also there's a lots of requests. That's why. If you want to develop multiplayer in blueprints, so go and learn and use Unity. Yes. I am saying that means PUBG lobby আমার ক্যারেক্টার ইয়েস আমি জানি আপনি কি বলতেছেন আমি জানি ওই পাবজির ভিতরে যে পাবজি লবির কথাই বলতেছেন আমি জানি বিকজ আমি পাবজি প্রচুর খেলি আমি অলরেডি এই সিজনের 50 আরপি কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে আমার সো ইয়া 100% আরপি কমপ্লিট আমি জানি আপনি কিসের কথা বলতেছেন ফার্স্ট অফ অল লেটস ক্লিক অন এডিট দিস বিপি Oh guys, look, there's a door animation available. Seriously, what the heck it is? Move the door. There's already they added timeline with condition. Seriously, you kidding me? So how can I active this thing? Custom move door. Okay, there's a custom event. Okay, so how can I execute it, this thing? How? Maybe I can use some keyboard, so or some actions. So let's use that thing. আমার কল অফ ডিউটির মতো গেম বানাতে দিতে আমার কল অফ ডিউটির মতো গেম বানাতে গেলে কত রকমের অ্যাসেট লাগবে আচ্ছা কল অফ ডিউটির মতন গেম বানাইতে গেলে তোমার তো প্রথমে তো ক্যারেক্টার্সের অ্যাসেট লাগতেছে এরপর লাগতেছে হাউস এরপর লাগতেছে ট্রিজ গ্রাস প্রপস তারপরে ওটা ঘরের ভিতরে যদি তুমি কোনো ডিটেলস অ্যাড করো ওই ডিটেলসের জন্য আলাদা বুঝতে পারতেছো? মডেল, সো অনেক মডেলস আছে, একটা গেমে অনেক মডেলস লাগে। আর পাবজি আর যেমন কল অফ ডিউটির মতো গেমে তো আরো বেশি। ওকে, এটা তোমার সিনের উপর ডিপেন্ড করবে তুমি কতটুকু ইউজ করবে। যেমন কি দেখো, এটা একটা ছোটখাটো সিন, ওকে, এখানে কিছুই নেই, বাট দেখো আসল জিনিসগুলো ঘরের ভিতরে। ঘরের ভিতরে খাটটা আছে, এটার ভিতরে দেওয়ালে ছোট ছোট পপস গুলো আছে, ডোরস আছে, সেখানে অনেক কিছু আছে। এইসব জিনিস আসলে যত ডিটেলস অ্যাড করতে চাবা, এটা তুমি পারবা, এটা তোমার উপর ডিপেন্ডস করবে। সো প্রথমে তো আমি করবো কি, এখানে আমি গেট অল অ্যাক্টর ফ্রম ক্লাস নিয়ে নিচ্ছি। গেট অল অ্যাক্টর ফ্রম ক্লাস, get all actor from class, and by that thing I want to get the door. So old bugs bp, yeah, kind of like that. What is the name? bp, then old and house. Okay, nice, it's come. Now I can maybe get a copy and use that reference. So just promote a variable, so I can use that. For making house, we need stream. Yes. Bro, how to add another Android permission? Very simple. You need to just go to edit, that plugins. Then here you need to search Android, Android, Android. And here, as you can see, runtime permission. Okay. Or you can search here that PAR, and here you find all the permission for Android what need. So you need to just click on enable and it will be open. Okay. It will be automatically open if we already export this game for Android. Okay, so it will be automatically open. So let's click on promote a variable and let's edit that bpdor. Okay, I know that I do some spelling mistake, however I want to just, for now I need to execute this variable move door. Okay, let's add a simple keyboard for now, that f keyboard, that let's call these things, and oh, not the position, we need the door. From that, move do. Oh, what is this custom event name? Move door. Let's copy this thing, come at here, move door. Why it's not coming? So what kind of custom event this thing? The door front. Oh, okay, okay, that is a door front, guys. Come on, you kidding me? Oh my god. uh there's the door front. Compile, and now we need to get a one more copy. Get a copy. Now we can select. Now we need to again promote a variable. Seriously? Okay, now let's remove this thing. So let's connect it this thing. Let's remove this ref. Get this thing and let's search. Yep, now it's come. Now let's connect it with this thing. Okay, now let's try. Are it's working or not? Yes, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Come on, work. It's not doing. What? It's only doing for this door? What the heck it is? I also want to open for this door. That is the door too. Front door true. So how can I, and are we can, ah my god, why they every time change the BPs and other stuff? Oh, okay, I need to just change it from this time. Okay, let's open this day. Okay, some of door can be moved and some of door can't be moved. Okay, like yeah, like that. Let's open every door because I want to use every door. Oh, there's a small little bathroom also. How to change camera skin with button? Huh? Camera skin? What kind of camera skin? There's a lots of camera skin. Which one you need? Let's go to second floor. There's also a small little washroom. Let's open this so our player can be enjoy that one. Not skin, I'm say screen. Oh, what kind of, like, yeah, like how? What you mean? Like aim? Like you are using the third person camera, now you want to change this thing to in FPP camera, kind of like that. You want that? Wow, even we can go up. That was cringy. Okay, now let's click on saved. Also, let's now close the house door. So basically we can open this thing. Now let's click on play. F keyboard. Oh ho ho ho, very nice. Now I can go inside of that. Wow, this is called next gen graphics. How to change camera scene with button? I'm not understanding, bro. Nice. Yep, it's good. Let's go to second floor. Let's try. It's or we can go. What? I opened that thing more. No, I opened that. Good graphics. This called good graphics. Guys, even I opened this one too, but they didn't do. Look at here. I already do that. See, if they don't give me to do that, so I will be basically remove that door also. I want to go inside. I wanna go. ক্যামেরা থেকে কেমন করে চেঞ্জ করব বাটনের সাহায্যে? আচ্ছা, মানে এভাবে লাইক একটা থার্ড পার্সন যদি ক্যামেরা থাকে, এই ক্যামেরাটা ধরেন আরেকটা ক্যামেরা অ্যাড করছেন, ওই ক্যামেরাতে কিভাবে চেঞ্জ আপ করবেন বাটন দিয়ে? ওইভাবে যাচ্ছেন দ্যাট অনেকটা পাবজির মতো ওই টিটিপি টু এফপিপি তে যে যায় ওরকম। এখন পাবজি খেলবো, অসুবিধা নেই। আর ইউ কিডিং মি? ওয়াই দিস ডোর ইজ নট ওপেন? আই ওয়ান্ট টু গো। ও প্লিজ। আচ্ছা, না হইলে আমি রিমুভই করে দিমু। দূর মিয়া। ওই মিয়া ওই। কই ডোরটা কই? ইন্টারঅ্যাক্টিং ডোরের খেতা পুরি। এটারে রিমুভই করে দিমু আমি। যা ভাগ। এবার ডোর দে। কিন্তু আমি এখানে ডোর ওপেন করতেছি আর এটা ডোর ওপেন হয় না। আমি কই গেছি গা? সেকেন্ড ফ্লোরে লাগবে আমার। ইয়াস, নাও ঠিক আছে। প্রত্যেকটা রুম এনজয় করবো। ভাই গ্লাস কাজ করে না, নকল। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ওকে। ওরকম করার জন্য ইউজ সেট টগল মোড ইউজ করতে পারেন, কিংবা সেট এ নিউ অ্যাক্টিভিটি। ওকে, বাট আবারও যদি আমার মতো ইউআই দিক থেকে করতে যান, তাহলে আপনাকে আবার কিন্তু আলাদা ফাংশন ইউজ করতে হবে, না হলে কিন্তু হবে না। মোটামুটি ঠিক আছে। মোটামুটি ওখানে আমি ঘরের ভিতরে যাইতে পারতেছি। নাইস। না, আমি বাকিগুলা টেক্সচারগুলোকে একটু সেট আপ করে দিই। সো বেসিক্যালি আর বেশি টাইম ইউজ করতে চাচ্ছি না। এগুলাকে করছি, স্টেজকে টেনে করছি, এটাকে করছি, করছি, এটাকে করছি, করছি, এটারে করছি, এটা অলরেডি করা আছে। নাইস, নাইস। অলরেডি বাকিগুলো সবগুলা মিনিমাম সেট আপ করা আছে মেবি। না, আচ্ছা, বাকিগুলো এখান থেকে নিয়ে এতটুকু পর্যন্ত। ভাই কতগুলা টেক্সচার দিছে, এতগুলারে একসাথে করতে গেলে তো হারিয়ে যাবে মনে হচ্ছে। ব্রো, হাউ টু সেট আপ UE5 উইথ অ্যান্ড্রয়েড স্টুডিও 4 SDK এনডিকে জেডিকে? ইয়েস, আমি যে লাস্টেস্ট ভিডিওটা বানাইছিলাম না, দ্যাট ওই 4.27 এক্সপোর্ট এসডি ক্যান্ডিকে জেডিকে, ওটা যেভাবে সেট আপ করছি ওইটাই সেম, ঠিক আছে? একবারে সেম সেট আপ ফর ইয়ার জন্য, U5 এর জন্য, ঠিক আছে? সেম আনরিয়াল ইঞ্জিন 5, সেম অ্যান্ড্রয়েড স্টুডিও 4 ইউজ করে। ওই জেডিকে আমি যেভাবে দেখাইছি এনডিকে জেডিকে ডাউনলোড করা, ওইভাবে ডাউনলোড করে নেবেন, আর বাস কাজ শেষ হয়ে যাবে। বিকজ অলরেডি তো দেখতে পাচ্তেছে আমি এই ইউ5 দিয়ে তো আমি গেম অলরেডি আমার গেমটাকে এক্সপোর্ট দিছি না, সো কাজ করতেছে। সো ইয়া, ওটাও কাজ করবে। সো ডোন্ট ওয়ারি। ভাই গরম লাগতেছে, বাংলাদেশে কি গরম! ও ভাই। I think I just need some graphic settings, like we can control that graphics, like low, high, or Max kind of like graphics. Now I can't build APK from Android Studio. Why? Did you use 3.5.3? It's also work, don't worry. যদি পুরানটাও থাকে 3.5.3 তাতেও আনরিয়েল ইঞ্জিন কাজ করবে, সমস্যা নাই, আপডেট করতে হবে না যদি পুরানটা থেকে থাকে। আর না থাকলে আমি বলবো কি 4 পয়েন্টটাই করতে, বিকজ 4 পয়েন্ট আরো বেশি পাওয়ারফুল। ওকে নাইস, সবকিছু চেঞ্জ আপ হয়ে গেছে, 10-24 আসি গেছে, আগের চেয়ে বেটার কোয়ালিটি পামু সবকিছুতে, এফপিএসটাও বাড়ি গেছে মনে হচ্ছে। আচ্ছা, সেটা তো এদিকে শেষ সবগুলাকে, মানে পপসের ভিতরের মধ্যে স্কাই, স্কাই জিমনাসে থাক। আচ্ছা, ওখানে এখানের মধ্যে অনেকগুলো আছে, এগুলোকেও করে দিই। অ্যাকশন, Unreal Engine, sometime kiddings us. If you want your game for all Android device, you need to Unreal Engine 4.24. PUBG is still using 4.24 for support all device. ब्रो तुमको किसने बोला पबजी जो है ये 4.24 यूज कर रहा है? किसने बोला? किस बंदे ने तुमको बोला कि पबजी ये इंजन 4.24 यूज कर रहा है? बता सकते हो? या फिर कहाँ कहीं पर पबजी की वेबसाइट पे लिखा आ रहा है कि उन लोगों ने ये वाला यूज किया है? सेव हो गया, चलो सेव्ड। सेव कर लो भाई कर लो। लेट्स प्ले पबजी। Now we will play PUBG. Oh no, I can't play PUBG if I going to. How PUBG use 4.6 now? It was old. Yes, I'm also saying the same thing. Why PUBG use 4.24? This is already a 3 older version. Okay, why? And why are PUBG said okay that they use 4.24? And 4.24 there's no water plugin. That is not a big deal. They have water plugging or not, because PUBG can make that water plugins. Okay, you can make that water plugins. Okay, because if you check the Fortnite is also a very old game, and their Fortnite old versions there's also water available. So it's not been that if you are only using 4.26 then, or you can using more than 4.26. भाई अनरियल इंजन 4.26 the patch ओपन जीएल से टू ओल्ड डिवाइस से तो भाई देखो पबजी का कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं होता, ठीक है? पबजी कोई भी वर्जन की इंजन यूज कर सकता है, लाइक बट वो लोग अनरियल इंजन को यूज कर रहे, वो लोग इतना बताया, अभी तक 5 तो यूज नहीं करने वाले, क्योंकि अभी भी 5 जो है फुल्ली एक्सेस नहीं हुआ, ठीक है? सो जो बात है वो अभी के लिए मुझे जितना लग रहा है कि 4 पॉइंट यूज कर रहा है, ओके? वो 5 नहीं यूज कर रहा है, क्योंकि 5 की क्वालिटी और भी ज्यादा है, ओके? और उसके अलावा भी अभी भी 5 जो है स्टेबल वर्जन पे नहीं आया, मतलब जो है एकदम ठीक ठाक वैसा नहीं आया, ठीक है? तो वो अगर बात करोगे तो वो उससे मुझे नहीं लगता कोई है। और जिधर बोल रहे हो कि भाई ऑल डिवाइस, क्योंकि अभी देखो अगर मैं फाइल एक्सपोर्ट पे करता हूँ तो मुझे सिर्फ इधर एंड्रॉइड पैकेजिंग ही दिखा रहा है, मुझे अलग से कुछ लाइक मैं ए एस टी सी लिए कर रहा हूँ ना कि डी एक्स टी सी लिए कर रहा हूँ ना कि ई एस टी सी के लिए कर रहा हूँ, वो मुझे नहीं दिखा रहा। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इसके अंदर वो फीचर अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसके अंदर है, लेकिन अनरियल इंजन वालों ने सिर्फ हाइड कर दिया, यही इतना ही डिफेक्ट है, ओके? और कुछ नहीं। और जो है ये जितना भी अपडेट हो रहा है गेम, ओके, तुम अनरियल इंजन की जितनी भी अपडेटेड वर्जन देख रहे हो उसके अंदर और भी डिवाइस ऐड किए जा रहा है। इनफैक्ट जो मेरा गेम है, मतलब मैंने जो अनरियल इंजन 5 को जो है मैंने बनाया, ठीक है, उसके भी ऑलरेडी भाई साहब उसके मैंने एक्सेस देखा, अगर मैं वो गेम डाउनलोड करना चाहे तो ओवरऑल दुनिया के अभी भी 1,000 से भी ज्यादा डिवाइस के अंदर वो चल सकता है, मतलब अलग अलग डिवाइस के अंदर, सारे के सारे अलग अलग डिवाइस के अंदर वो चल सकता है, ठीक है? तो यही, सो वो बात अलग है, ठीक है, कि अनरियल 4.24 यूज, अनरियल इंजन बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब पबजी वाले वो यूज कर रहे हैं, वो अलग है। अच्छा जो भी हो भाई, पहले तो ये तो हो चुका है, लाइक इतना तो सेटअप हो चुका है, और क्या करना पड़ेगा? अबे ये इधर कैसा बग है भाई? देख लो ये इधर से नहीं जा पा रहा है, अबे यार क्या क्या मतलब, मजाक करते हैं। चलो इसे भी फिक्स कर लेते हैं. I think this is good. That's why your game still can't downloadable. Oh my god. Yeah, I know that why my game is not still downloadable, because some of device is not support, like kind of like some rooted device and kind of like some, what the heck it is. Are there have some glitch? I think in their collisions they have some glitch. I'm thinking that in this area they have some glitch. Let's. I'm not sure that how we can fix this. That is maybe. I think there's a have some problem in these collisions. Okay, like yeah, let's go to check the collision. Let's go to collisions and show collisions. Simple collisions show. As you can see, they have bugs in their collisions. Wow, super buggy. Let's delete this collision and add a simple box collision, and let's set it to complexity so we can find more goodly. Now it will be work. Now I'm 100% sure it will be work. Let's try. Yeah, it's working, but the second step is some, I think that is some larger. That's why. As you can see, the second step is some larger as I'm thinking. Okay, that is some so much high. That's why. That's why the problem coming. Some devices are OpenGL SA2 bro. भाई देखो, OpenGL और वेलकॉन से मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है. वेलकॉन और OpenGL के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है, ठीक है. अगर तुम उसको बोलोगे तो भाई भाई क्या बोलूं यार, बोलो. सो जो भी हो यार, मुझे तो पहले इसके अंदर एक सिंपल कलीजन ऐड कर देता हूँ भाई. इसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अरे यार मैंने कितना सारा ऐड कर दिया. डिलेट. पहले तो इसको भी भाई ऐसे से इसको रोटेट ही कर देता हूँ भाई. ये ले, हो जाएगा अभी काम. यू नो आई जस्ट नीड सम काम तमाम. नाउ आई नीड वन मोर टाइम. I think it will be now work. Now let's go to complex default project. Let's click. Your game including nanite? Nope. My game not including any nanite. Yes, it's working right now. 100% bugs fix. They have some super bugs sometime. Some of us have sometime super bug. Bro, how to add gun sounds in Unreal Engine by mouse press? Very easy. Just click on play sound by 2D at location. Okay. I'm also thinking about that feature. Like I want to add that feature in my game, that you can add like this. On mouse press, like left mouse clicked. Okay. So you can play sound, like play sound 2D at location. Okay, so by this thing you can add your fire sounds, and for the location where is your gun, so just get actor location and just connect it with this thing, so it will be play 100% goodly. Okay, I think that is enough for for now. Let's click on save this whole project, and now I'm not sure that I can play PUBG because yeah, because there's a problem, that's why. So let's first of all let's fix some bugs at here. Oh, transformations. However, the left mouse also available. Let's click on disable this thing. Bro, how to add gun sound? Okay, I've already given that reply. Okay, now I need my last of map, some data. So maybe it's in a polygon city, that's in maybe somewhere. Sir, how many days it take for download Unreal Engine? In my case, it's only highest take maybe 3 hours to 4 hours to download a complete Unreal Engine. Okay, like in my case, when I download Unreal Engine 4 and 5, its maximum time takes 4 hours. Okay, not more than. That is our new map. That is my third person map. So from my third person map, I want some code from whatever I write at here. Like I want this code. Simply copy maps. That is my demonstration map. Now simply just paste it here. Bro, how to use patch auto update for Android? Bro, for that you need to buy plugins. Okay, it will be not available free. Why this plus button is not working? Well, let's create widget. Let's set it to UI. Okay, for that thing, if you want to like patch update like PUBG, you need to buy some plugins. That external download map feature plugin, you need to buy that plugin. Okay, or it will be not work. So yeah, Unreal Engine needs lots of plugin for completing your every work. Please make map navigation GPS system in Unreal Engine. Seriously, you want that feature? Oh my god, that feature is very costly and also it will be take lots of time. As you can see, my graphics design is now come. I can now set low graphics. Wow, what a low graphics. Just look, cartoonic type, not a cartoonic. It's super bad. Let's set it to high. Also not so much good. Let's go inside of that house. Very bad, but yeah, let's set it to max SDR. Wow, wow, what a graphics, brother. This called graphics. Okay, thank you. Which plugins? You find the marketplaces that external map download system plugins in Unreal Engine marketplaces. Sir, we want unlimited data network for download Unreal Engine. No, you'll need kind of like a storage. If you use the like kind of like Google Drive, you need some storage that player don't have some limitation. Like if you use the Firebase storage, you have that a limitation that in Firebase storage, you maximum per day you can only download 1 GB. Okay, or you can use only 1 GB storage. If you try to use more than maximum, your database will be become failed or it will be blocked by Google or Firebase. Okay, then you need to update your Firebase or it will be not work. Okay, so you need to make it, keep it in mind that you use kind of like a storage, that why you can use unlimited downloads and other use. Also, you need that system that from that storage your Unreal Engine can download that your pack file or your map files, and then it can include in your game, so you can use that. Okay, maximum is done. Now I think we need to add some collisions. Okay, I'm not sure that we need to add some collisions because it's good. That's why. Okay, I think this is good. Now I need to just rebuild the lights, nothing else. Everything is quite enough perfect, and I think for the rendering this all this stuff, it can take I think more than 1 day. I think. But how I need to I want to play some sounds because I hear some sounds that I want to use some sound music kind of like that. Just search open GL से दो प्रॉब्लम नहीं Unreal Engine you can check. अबे Unreal Engine GL का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मुझे तो वही समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Like edit project settings Android. भाई है ना, ओपन जी एल ई एस 3.1 है, वेलकॉन है, तो और क्या चाहिए भाई. ये दोनों ही तो सबसे ज्यादा डिवाइस पे एंड्रॉइड अवेलेबल है, और क्या चाहिए. और उसके अलावा भी अगर एक्सटर्नल चाहिए तो ये सपोर्ट वेलकॉन डेस्कटॉप भी इस्तेमाल कर लो भाई. अगर और भी चाहिए तो भाई प्लगइन्स को यूज कर लो. दिक्कत क्या है. बट मेरे लिए जितना है भाई मुझे उतना काफी है. लाइक मेरा गेम जो है कुछ ज्यादा ही रैम यूज कर रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ लाइक कुछ ज्यादा ही. लाइक इफ आई search that state UNIT unit. So abe kya NIT unit. So as you can see, it's give me some more information about frame, game, draw, GPU, request, draws and frames and others. OpenGL 3 for new device. Bro भाई मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ. मैं अभी जो गेम है मैंने जिसके अंदर टेस्ट किया है, इसका नाम है भाई Redmi K24। ये 30,000, ओके, इन माई कंट्री इसका प्राइस है 30,000 रुपी, मतलब टाका का, मतलब मेरे इधर का 30,000 का ये मोबाइल है। इसके अंदर 6 GB की ग्राफिक्स रैम है, इसके अंदर ग्राफिक्स है अलग अलग से, स्नैपड्रैगन 855 है यार। ये अभी मॉडर्न जमाने की एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल है, ठीक है। इसके अंदर एंड्रॉयड 11 है, सो इसके अंदर सब कुछ है, ओके। और इसके अंदर ओपन जीएल भी है, सब कुछ है भाई। लेकिन ये काम करता है, मेरा गेम मेरे एंड्रॉयड के अंदर काम कर रहा है। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये ओपन जीएल 3 के अंदर काम नहीं करने वाला। ये सारे डिवाइस के अंदर अनरियल इंजन का गेम काम करता है। हाँ, कभी कभार प्रॉब्लम आता है कि सैमसंग टाइप डिवाइस के लिए, ओके, जिन लोगों का सैमसंग डिवाइस होगा, तुम देखोगे इनफैक्ट पबजी की भी पहली ये इशू थी कि लॉट्स ऑफ सैमसंग डिवाइस के अंदर तुम इसे चला नहीं सकते, ओके। ये पबजी की बहुत पहली की इशू थी, जब कल ये मुझे जितना लगता है 4 पॉइंट उनका कुछ अपडेट आया था, तब से लाइक 14 का अपडेट या 10 या 14 का जब अपडेट था तब ये इशू था। लेकिन धीरे धीरे पबजी ने जो किया, इसे अपडेट कर दिया, मतलब इस प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स कर दिया, क्योंकि उन लोग ने और भी इंजन को अपडेट किया, लाइक शायद कुछ ज्यादा ही इंजन को, लाइक 4 पॉइंट कुछ ज्यादा ही यूज किया, लाइक लास्ट वर्जन या कुछ लाइक दैट्स वाई। अबे भाई, मैं ये बेकार की चीज करने से पहले भाई लाइट्स बिल कर देता हूँ। भाई मुझे लगता है लाइट्स बिल करने में अभी इसकी फट जाएगी कतई। सो मैं अभी लाइट्स बिल करना नहीं चाहता। मुझे पता नहीं है नया लाइट्स बिल क्यों क्यों मांग रहा है ये, बट मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए। हाउएवर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं इसकी जो है सप्रेस डिसेबल स्क्रीन मैसेज पे कर दूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे और नहीं चाहिए। तो COMMAND कमांड, सर पबजी और BGMI, पबजी नॉट BGMI। भाई मैंने BGMI को ट्राई भी नहीं किया, और मेरी कंट्री के अंदर BGMI चलेगा भी नहीं, क्योंकि BGMI इंडिया के लिए है, ओके। पबजी ग्लोबल मेरे पास है। प्लीज मेक मैप जीपीएस सिस्टम वीडियो, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। भाई देखो, जीपीएस सिस्टम मेक करना उतना आसान नहीं है, ठीक है। उसके लिए तुमको पेड बहुत सारे प्लगइन्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी, तुमको लोकेशन प्लगइन्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी, तुमको मिनी मैप प्लगइन्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी, और भी कुछ ज्यादा प्लगइन्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी उसके, ठीक है। उसके बाद ही तुम जीपीएस सिस्टम बना पाओगे। इतना आसान नहीं है जीपीएस सिस्टम क्रिएट करने के लिए, ओके। इसके लिए बहुत कुछ चाहिए, या फिर मैं बोलूंगा कि तुम डायरेक्टली एपिक स्टोर पे जाओ, जीपीएस सिस्टम का प्लगइन ही बाय कर लो, ये काम हो जाएगा। ओके सर, आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया। ओके, इसलिए नहीं, मेरे बांग्लादेश पे बीजीएमआई काम नहीं करता, ठीक है। बीजीएमआई सिर्फ इंडिया के लिए है। लेकिन हाल ही में यार पबजी को भी बांग्लादेश से बैन कर दिया भाई। अभी सर मुझे लगता है सिर्फ कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी बाकी है भाई। ना सिर्फ कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी बाकी है। अरे मैं क्या क्या करने वाला था। अच्छा हाँ, disable message in UE4, there's a code available that's called maybe suppress or disable or skin commands, kind of like that. Yeah, that sucks. I want now, simply saved. Now it will be not show me any of error like likes need to build or something like that, because I already disabled that thing. Yes, nice. Hey, I also need a start point, or it will be not work. Player start from these locations, should be like that. Let's give some up. Okay, I need now a touch that it can like I can press the door. So for that I need to add this system in my UI. So first of all, let's go to UI. Let's add a button. And Free Fire, yeah, Free Fire also banned in my country. PUBG, Free Fire banned, but Call of Duty is still available. I'm not sure that our my Bangladesh, they are the disable or ban Call of Duty or not. Okay, I think this is will be help us to open the door. Like when you press this thing, it will be should be work. Okay, now let's give it open. And we also only need that system when we are near of the door. Okay, or we will be don't need this thing. So also for that, I'll be add here that custom event. Oh, first of all, I need to verify these doors. Okay, like what is the door functions? It's not casting area near of that. So for that, what I'll be do basically, I'll be adding a simple collision at here. So by that thing, we can verify are we are near of that door or not, or it should be not, you know, visible that stuff. Are this door is open or there's a opening? Okay, it's already have a booleans also, so it will be help me. So let's add a simple box collision at here. Wow. So guys, in my in my house, Palau is cooking. I love Palau. Okay, as you can see, the collision is now pretty enough good. So at here, what you can do, get all actor from class, like in begin play. There's a I'm not sure that there's a begin play available. Yep. Now we need to get all actor from class and set the third person, get a copy, player reference, that ref. Now contact with this thing, compile and saved. Now what I need, just last of stuff I need, like I want to execute this thing. So for do that, because I have my player reference, maybe I should be have my player reference. I think maybe I should be have. How can I execute this thing right now? I'm not sure. I only want this button visible when I'm near of that door. Okay, so that is some, oh, I understand. I can do by if I get my player reference. So then if I'm just begin overlap or end overlap, so I can get, like, let me show you, because I have my player reference, and in my player reference there's a must be have my player UI data. Okay, so like this thing, inside of that I must be have my player reference data, that UI, that is my UI reference, or oh my god, that is in my open level class. Okay, now let's cut this thing and paste it at here. Let's promote a variable. Nice, now I have the UI data, so let's set it to UI. Now at here we can search that UI, get the UI, and from that UI we can basically use our buttons and others command. So for that, this is basically a variable, so let's give it that open. So that's the door, and let's search that open, get the open visibility, set visibility. If I'm begin overlap, so cast to third person player character to other sector, visible, so it should be visible, or it should be, if I'm not even end of that thing, should be basically hide. Okay, so hidden. Now let's try. Is it still? Yes, now it's working. Now I want the system when I press this button. Okay, so if I press this thing, So it should be create a boolean that open, or let's try to execute in another way, because I just want to execute this system. Okay, so it's mean that when I press this thing, it should be do this thing. So for doing that, I need to basically get my door reference. So just get copy and come in UI, and on my event begin play, okay, like on event construct, I need to create a sequence. This sequence will be help me to basically get the reference of that. Now, bro, you use C++? No, I'm not use any C++. I always use the blueprint code. Now from this thing, I can search that move door function. Yes, now it's working 100%. Now if I go near of that one, okay, it's working. Now if I click, we can open, it should be work. Bro, what are you making? I'm just updating my game. Okay, it should be work. I'm not sure. That is the front door. Yep, it's front door. That is the front door, as you can see. Yep, it should be work, that move door. Why it's not working? What is the problem of you? Move door UI, it's getting the reference, so why? What is the position value? 0. So why? Good graphics, yeah, thanks. Let's set it to 1 and let's see now it's work or not. Yes, now it's working. Oh, I think I'm select the wrong one, that's why. Can you send models of house? Huh? Bro, this is available in marketplaces. House. You can find this asset in marketplaces. Oh, I don't need this image. Oh, let's give.